Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 6 evergreen ways to make money online. So let's jump into our main video. So first, what is the first way? Our first way is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. That means you can create a link from affiliate website and then promote this link on your social media or your website. And when a person or a audience purchase from your link, then you get a commission. And that's it, affiliate marketing. Second, selling digital products. You can sell digital products. This is a evergreen way to make money online. So this can include ebooks, courses, printables, and other digital content that you create and sell directly to your audience. Dropshipping. You can do dropshipping on online. This is a business model where you act as the middleman between the customer and a supplier, selling products without ever actually holding any inventory. You can do online coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer your services as a coach or consultant and help others achieve their goals. Our next way, freelancing. You can do freelancing on online. This involves offering your skills and services as a freelancer, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, app development, or digital marketing. You can create e-commerce shop. You can start an online store and sell physical products to customers all over the world, leveraging platforms like Shopify or Amazon to reach a wider audience. And if you create an e-commerce store, you can gain a lot of revenue from online, because in this digital age we all can buy from online, and that's very easy for us. So now this is time to summary our video. So summary, we can say in this video we learn about 6 ways to make money online. First, affiliate marketing. Second, selling digital product. And then third, dropshipping. Next, you can do online coaching or consulting service. Next, freelancing, and last, e-commerce. So see you in next video. Till then, take care.